If you're a client at BookCleaningJobs or using our CRM to power your website forms and chat, and you've stopped receiving these emails that say new lead, you're used to getting these emails every time somebody fills out a lead on your website or chats with your chatbot, and suddenly you've stopped getting these emails. It could just be that it's slow, but it could also be that you've accidentally hit this unsubscribe link right here in your email. I know it sounds like that would be a silly thing to do, but believe it or not, we've had a few clients accidentally unsubscribe from their own lead notifications. And if you know anything about speed to lead, then you know that you need to respond to leads in 5 minutes or less, or you lose 80% of the value of your lead. 4 out of 5 people are not going to wait more than 5 minutes for you to contact them back. So if you stop getting your email notifications for new leads coming in from your website, this could seriously hinder your chances of winning jobs. So if you've accidentally unsubscribed from your lead emails, let me show you how you would figure that out in the first case and then fix it. First thing you would notice is that you're no longer getting new lead emails. So the next thing you'll want to do is log into your CRM account, app.bookcleaningjobs.com, log in there, go to your conversations tab, and then look for the email address where you're receiving your leads at. So on this one, that would be info at, and then you can see the entire conversation history that the CRM has had with your email address. And you should see all of the leads that you've received in here historically. What you're going to look for is this DND section over here. DND stands for Do Not Disturb. This is where you see all of your unsubscribe settings. So if you notice that this contact has DND emails checked, that means you have accidentally unsubscribed from your own emails. And anytime you get leads from your website or chats, you're no longer going to get notified because you are unsubscribed. As the owner of your business and the admin on this CRM, you definitely want to be getting all of the notifications. And the easy way to fix that is to just come in here, double check that you're not DND'd on any of this stuff. All this stuff should be open. You do not want your account DND'd for anything. So come into the conversations tab on the left here, go to either unreads or recent and look for your own email address. Look at the history here and see if you're getting leads, and then check for DND settings to make sure that you are not DND'd for email. All right. I hope this helps. And if you have problems receiving your leads, let me know. Support at bookcleaningjobs.com. Talk to you later.